Hello, I'm Dr. Kevin Woodard, and today we're going to dive into a topic that many of you have been asking about: cranial facial release, or CFR, as is compared to traditional sinus treatments. If you've been struggling with sinus issues and are exploring your options, well, this video is for you. We'll look at the pros and cons of various treatments, including medication, surgery, and even natural alternatives like CFR. Let's get started. When it comes to treating sinus problems, the options can feel overwhelming. From over-the-counter medications to invasive surgeries, each approach has its benefits and drawbacks. Let's start by looking at some of the more traditional sinus treatments. First up, medications. Decongestants, antihistamines, and nasal sprays are often the first line of defense against sinus issues. These can be effective in providing temporary relief by reducing inflammation and clearing nasal passages. However, there are some downsides to relying on medications. Over time, your body can build a tolerance, making these treatments less effective. Long-term use of decongestants can lead to rebound congestion, where your symptoms actually worsen after the medication wears off. Additionally, some people experience side effects like drowsiness, dizziness, or even increased blood pressure. For those with chronic or severe sinus issues, surgery may be recommended. Surgical options like functional endoscopic sinus surgery aim to remove blockages and improve drainage in the sinuses can provide long-lasting relief for many patients. While surgery can be highly effective, it's important to consider the risk. Any surgical procedure carries the potential for complications, such as infection, bleeding, or even scarring. Recovery time can also be significant, requiring weeks of rest and care. Additionally, surgery doesn't always guarantee a permanent fix. Some patients may experience recurring issues and require further treatment. Natural alternatives are another option for those looking to avoid medications or surgery. Techniques like saline rinses, steam inhalations, and herbal remedies can help manage symptoms naturally. These methods are generally safe and have few side effects, making them appealing for those seeking a more holistic approach. However, natural treatments often require consistency and patience. The results can be gradual, and for those with more severe sinus issues, these methods might not provide the level of relief needed. Now, let's talk about cranial facial release, or CFR. This non-invasive technique involves the gentle manipulation of the skull and nasal bones to improve airflow and sinus drainage. CFR is gaining popularity as an alternative or complementary treatment to traditional sinus therapies. So what are the pros of cranial facial release? First, it's a non-invasive treatment where there's no surgery or long recovery time required. CFR works by addressing the root cause of sinus issues, which is often related to structural misalignments in the skull and nasal passages. By realigning these structures, CFR can provide significant relief from sinus congestion, headaches, and even improved breathing. Another advantage of CFR is that it's natural. There's no medications involved, so you won't have to worry about side effects or dependency. Additionally, many patients report improvements not just in their sinus issues, but in their overall sense of well-being. This holistic approach can help address multiple symptoms simultaneously. Of course, like any treatment, CFR has its limitations. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and results can vary from person to person. Some patients require multiple sessions to achieve the desired results, and it's important to have realistic expectations about what CFR can achieve. In summary, when comparing cranial facial release with traditional sinus treatments, it's clear that each approach has its own set of pros and cons. Medications offer quick relief, but may come with side effects and diminishing returns. Surgery can be effective for severe cases, but carries significant risk and recovery time. Natural alternatives are safe, but might not be potent enough. for everyone. Cranial facial release stands out as a non-invasive, natural alternative that targets the underlying cause of sinus issues. For many, it offers a balance between effectiveness and safety, making it an attractive option for those seeking long-term relief. Every patient's journey is unique, and it's important to find the treatment that best suits your needs. If you're considering cranial facial release, set up a consultation to see if you're a good candidate. Not everyone is, but if you are, the benefits are quite amazing. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any experiences with cranial facial release or other sinus treatments, or simply have additional questions, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, your health is the most important asset. Take care of it. We'll see you in the next video.